It's a 2016 Chevrolet Camaro. If you love to drive, you will love this Camaro. It has an unmistakably provoking look with bold lines, muscular haunches, and dual exhaust. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, leather steering wheel, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Automobile notes, all of the Camaros we drove had crisp turn-in and linear steering response. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We offer superior vehicles. Come and see for yourself. We are easy to find on 5520 South Shaver, 1/2 mile east of the Gulf Freeway, exit 34.